Hello everyone, in this video I will review the Zoya app. Zoya is a halal investing app designed specifically to help Muslims invest in a way that complies with Sharia law. The app simplifies halal investing by allowing users to screen stocks, ETFs, and mutual funds to ensure they meet Islamic principles, such as avoiding interest-based companies, gambling, alcohol, and other non-permissible industries. This makes it much easier for users to make informed investment decisions without having to manually research each option. One of the main features of Zoya is its Sharia-compliant screening, which covers over 30,000 global stocks. The app provides detailed reports showing whether a particular stock or fund is halal, haram, or needs further review. Users can connect their brokerage accounts directly to Zoya to monitor their existing investments, ensuring their portfolio remains compliant over time. Zoya also includes a zakat circulation features, which automatically calculates the amount of zakat owed on investment and allows users to donate easily to zakat-eligible charities. Zoya is built with a user-friendly interface that is easy to navigate even for beginners. It offers educational resources and guidance to help users understand halal investing principles and make informed financial decisions. Users can also set alerts for changes in compliance status, so they are always aware of any updates regarding their investments. The app has received overwhelmingly positive reviews, with a 4.8 out of 5 rating on the App Store and 4.7 rating on Google Play. Users particularly praise its transparency, reliability, and the convenience it offers in managing Sharia-compliant investments. Many highlight that Zoya saves time and efforts as it removes the need of complex research into which investments are permissible. Overall, Zoya is a trustworthy and effective platform for Muslims who want to invest according to Islamic principles. Its combinations of detailed compliance tools, portfolio tracking, zakat calculation, and educational resources make it a comprehensive solution for halal investing. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced investor, Zoya can help ensure that your investment aligns with your faith while supporting informed financial decisions. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.